Hey guys, welcome once again in our Facebook marketing course. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to target website visitors on Facebook ads, right? So basically, if you want to run Facebook ads and you want to target your website visitors who have visited your website, first you have to create your own custom audience of the people who have visited your website, right? So let's directly jump into my Facebook ads account and create one custom audience who have visited our website. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my audience section of my ads account, and if you don't know how to go to audience section, you just have to go to all tools. As you can see here, this is the all tools option, and once this all tools option appears, you just have to go to this audiences option in your advertise settings, right? Once you are into your audiences section, you'll be land up in this page, right? So this is the audience page. Now once you are in your audience page, directly go to create audience button and click on custom audience. Obviously we are going to create own custom audience who have visited our website. So if we want to create a list of audience who have visited our website, so our source will be website, obviously, right? So select website, hit the next button, and make sure that you have properly set up your pixel code into your website so that your website can connect with your Facebook ads account, right? If it is not connected properly, then you might see errors like this, as you can see here, right? Now I have changed my account. Now again let me go to custom audience, right, and click on website and hit the next button, right? The same procedure I'm following. Now here, as you can see, my source is showing, although this red dot should be green in your account. If it is not green, then there might be some problem with your pixel code, right? So properly fix your pixel code, properly connect your website with your Google, Facebook ads account, then create your custom audience. Otherwise the list you will create will not properly gonna work for you, right? So once you have selected your source, basically your website, here you have to select your events. So these are the events available right now, right? And if the pixel code is properly connected, you'll be able to see few more events like page views, page visits, like this, right? So main events are here, and we are going to select all website visitors, right? Let's go with all website visitors right now, then we'll create people who have visited specific web pages, right? So first we are going with all website visitors, and once you select this, you just have to select the retention days, how many of last how many days you want the data, right? So let's say right now it is one only 30 days, which means if you create this list, last 30 days of audience who have visited your website will be into this list, into this custom audience list, right? And you can max go up to 180 days. If you go with 181, it will show max value, value must be less than 180 days, right? So max you can go up to 180 days. I'm going with 30 days. Also you have one more option. Well, two option you have. The first one is include more people. So what is the use of include more people? Basically, if this or this, right? In this, let's say you have added two options, right? Either this or this, either this condition meets in this custom audience list or this condition meets, right? This is how you can add two conditions in your custom audience list. So here I'm adding visitor by time spent, who have visited more around 25% of their time in my website will be into this list, or people who have visited my website will be into this list, right? This is how you can add two things basically. Or if you want to exclude any kind of particular audience from this list, you can do that as well, right? Now after adding your preferences, you just have to name this audience. Let's say I'm adding 30 days all website visitors, right? This is the name I have given. Now just click on create audience. If you want, you can add the description as well, but that was totally optional. It is totally up to you if you want to add the description or not. Now as you can see, your custom audience was created. Hit the done button, and here you'll be able to see the custom audience which is getting populated right now, right? Once it's get populated, you'll be able to see like this, ready. And once it's ready, you will be able to use this into your next campaign. Basically, you can use this particular custom audience in your next campaign so that you can target your website visitors, right? Recent website visitors who have visited your website in last 30 days, last 90 days, last 180 days. That is totally up to you. So this is how you can do your basically you can target your website visitors on Facebook ads. Now let me create one again. Let me create one more. Go to again custom audience. Now I'll be showing you the second option, which is go to event, and I'm going to show you this option, which is people who visited specific web page. So if you want to track, or if you want to show your ads to the specific web page visitor, you can do that as well, right? You just have to select this option, people who have visited specific web page. Here you have to select the, basically you have to add the URL, not proper URL. Let me go to our website, which is offerbazaar.store. This is the website which we have connected. Right now you can select contains, doesn't contain, or equals. Right, if you select contains, which means, let's say I am selecting groceries. Right now this is the URL, and from the URL I have selected grocery keyword. Right, I have copied it and go to my ads account and paste it here. Right now what it will happen, basically in URL, if the URL contains groceries word, right, and the visitors on those URLs will be added into this custom audience list. I'm repeating once again, this custom audience will collect the audience data of the URLs which contains groceries word only. Right, if you select doesn't contain, now what it will happen, basically now this custom audience will collect the data of those URLs that doesn't contain grocery words. Right, except grocery word URL, it will gather all the URLs data. So this is how this works. Then equals to is basically you have to add the specific keyword, right? And if the specific keyword matches with the URL, then it will count, it will add that URL's audience into this custom audience list, right? So this is how this works. Now you can refine this thing with extra options as well, like frequency and devices. If you go to devices, you can select the devices as well, like mobile device, iOS, Android, right? So this is the refining factor if you want to refine those things as well. Right, in frequency you can set the frequency as well is greater than 2 time visitors or 3 time visitor. This is how you can do it. Right, and this option also gives you include more people with either you can add 2 conditions, either this or this, right, like this thing. I hope you understood. Now once you are done with your customization, basically preferences, you just you have to add the name of this custom audience. So I'm adding grocery 30 days website visitors. Right, this is the name I have given. Click on create audience, hit the done button, and the audience has been created. As you can see, it is also getting populated. I hope you understood the process. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the explanation, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video, share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.